My name is Frederick Lewis Yama, and I am 10 years old. The name of my school is Child Bilingual Institute, and is located in Ghana. What moved me into programming is that my school teaches us about programming, and I love it a lot. Today, I am going to talk about my project. The name of my project is New Normal School Bot. New Normal School Bot is a bot that will assist teachers and students to beat the COVID-19 pandemic. My bot will also assist teachers to give individualized lessons to children and also make sure that students obey the COVID-19 protocols. Some of the features that my bot has are: 1. It will detect whether you are wearing a nose mask or not, then advise you based on that. 2. It will detect when your class card, then take you to your class. 3. It will teach the student, then after give the student an assessment. Then finally, it will make the student choose the game of their choice. Some of the following extensions are what my bot has: text to speech, speech recognition, recognition cards, and finally machine learning. I am going to explain my codes. When the green flag is clicked, my sprite Isaac will turn off the video on stage with 0% transparency. Then we'll hide the variable seen below. Then it will switch the backdrop to backdrop 1. Then it will show the sprite. Then after that, it will set its voice to turn on. Then it will go to X 135 and Y -109. Then to speak: hi there, would you want a face-to-face school or an online school? So it will give you an option. So it will say tap on O for an online school or F for a face-to-face school. So if you tap on F, then it will take you to your face-to-face school. And when it receives F, it will turn on video on stage with 0% transparency. Then it will detect whether you are wearing a nose mask. Then to move on to B, when it will ask for your class card. When you also choose O, it will go this one receives O, it will turn on the video on stage with 0% transparency. Then it will ask for your class card. So this one goes straight to the class card because you are at home. Then when it receives the class, then it says welcome to your class. So if you are in class 1, welcome to class 1. Then it broadcasts C. So when this one receives C, it will hide the bounding box. Then it will say good morning children. Then it will tell the children to have their lesson. So it will broadcast another message. So when this one receives the message, it will teach the children. Then after, it will move on to the assessment. After the 3 questions, it will go to the score. So if the child had 1/3, it will say 1/3. If the child had 0/3, it will say 0/3. If the child also had 2/3, it will say 2/3. If the child also had 3/3, it will say 3/3. Then after that, to broadcast a message, to broadcast 2 messages. So when it broadcasts this message, this one will receive the message and say Now you can choose among these two games. Then this one to receive the message and switch the backdrop to backdrop 1. Then broadcast a message. So after that, when this one receives the message, it will show. Then when the sprite is clicked, it will move on to the maze game. The same that with this, but this one to move on to the hero game. So when it moves on to the maze game will broadcast a message. Then after that, this one will broadcast a message to start the game. The same does with the cards too. In Isaac, I used all the extensions, and some of the extensions I used are text to speech, recognition cards, face detection, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. So I used all the extensions in Isaac. So now let me demonstrate my project.
Higher. Would you want a face-to-face school or online school? Tap O for an online school or F for a face-to-face school. Please wear your nose mask and sanitize your hands. Sanitize your hands. Show me your class card. No card detected. Show me your class card. Your class is class 1. Welcome to class 1. Good morning, children. Let's have our lesson. This is a forest ecosystem. This rabbit is a herbivore. This bear is a manivore. This lion is a
It's
carnivore.
a food chain.
Herbivores are animals that only eat plants. Carnivores are animals that feed only on other animals for survival. Omnivores are animals that feed on both plants and animals for survival. Now let's have an assessment. But before, let me detect the expression of your face. Detecting expression of face. Please remove your mask for a short time for your face to be detected. No. Happy. Keep the smile up. Now you can take your assessment. It's assessment time. Mention the herbivore in the lesson.
Rabbit.
Great. Mention the carnivore in the lesson.
Lion.
Good. Mention the omnivore in the lesson.
Bear.
Sorry, it's a bear. 2/3. Now you can choose among these two games.
So if I use the beetle to touch the black line.
You have missed today's lesson. See you in the next lesson.
This is the end of my project, and I believe it will help schools such as my school. Thank you.